Hello there, this is President Barack Obama. Now, you may be wondering why I am here now talking to you inferior and unintelligent people. Well, quite frankly, I am only doing this because it looks great for my campaign and push for the obviously archaic No Child Left Behind Act. Let's get on with this. So, we will now begin learning something quite simple. Taking the derivatives of exponential functions. This task is accomplished by using a very simple equation, that being b to the x power time ln of b times the derivative of x. Now that may seem quite complicated, but it really isn't. I will now let my trusty hand show you the first problem and the solution. I started this problem by writing down the initial equation. You then multiply the initial equation by ln of the base number, which happens to be 10 in this specific equation. The last thing you have to do is take the derivative of the x and multiply it to the previous solutions. In this case, the derivative of 3x is 3. The final solution is then 3 ln of 10 times 10 to the 3x. For this second problem, you start off like you did the first problem by writing down the initial equation. The next part is the same, but it is a twist. Since the ln of e is 1, everything cancels out, leaving only a 1 which can be ignored. The last part is taking the derivative of x. In this case, the derivative of x squared is 2x. The final answer is 2x times e to the x squared. The last problem is much like the previous problem, only there is no longer an e involved. You start out by writing the initial equation and then multiplying it by ln, and the base of the initial equation, which is 10. The last part is multiplying it by the derivative of the x. In this case, the derivative is 2x. The final answer is 10 to the x squared times ln of 10 times 2x. This message is approved by President Obama. Let's boogie.